breakthrough software creates self-updating news sites. And DAMP drives 100% free traffic for passive daily commissions. Instantly create multiple set and DAMP. Forget passive income streams. No paid ads, content creation, video or social posting needed. Works in any niche. Turn hobbies into self-updating news sites. Start banking seriously in as little as 24 hours from right now. 2inches-1 software automates your traffic and DAMP website completely with 10x engagement. Proof of life-changing results from marketers of all levels. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. We make consistent monthly income without spending a dime on traffic or updating these news sites, ever. This breakthrough approach is banking marketers of any level consistent, hands-free income. It's so effective that it will save you boatloads of time, money and DAMP frustration. Keep reading and you'll see exactly how people just like you are finally making hands-free commissions online. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. How we make ongoing passive income. In 3 simple steps. Step 1. Activate your HelloNews app and DAMP. Choose from multiple themes to your website. Step 2. Customize your very own passive income news sites by following the step-by-step guides. Step 3. Run the included traffic software to drive 100% passive profits 24/7. The income is passive. These news sites drive floods of traffic by sharing updates and DAMP news in various categories. As you can see, traffic turns into significant daily income. These news sites do zero hard selling and simply collect revenues when visitors click on ads or check out affiliate offers. Now you can cash in just like these news sites do, by piggybacking off all their hard work. Many additional features to improve visitors' engagement by 10x. World's first all-inclusive system for passive income news sites in any niche that drive 100% free traffic. It includes a cloud-based software and multiple themes to automatically create you monetized, self-updating news sites, no tech skills required. A proven cloud-based traffic software that gets targeted visitors to your news sites 24/7 without paying for ads. With step-by-step video guides to have your profitable news sites up and DAMP running in minutes. Health, automotive, music etc. video-based news sites. We have set up the news sites in many different niches ready to go in few clicks. What's new in HelloNews? This is a final version after all, and after speaking directly to our beta testers, looking at what they needed to succeed. And after months of painstaking research and development, we've come up with the most powerful and unique features which you won't see anywhere else. These are the world's first video news. Video is hot. It's the most important piece of content you can have on your website. In fact, you must have video on your websites. Which is why with HelloNews we've added the ability to add news videos from any of the top news sources on the web. Just press a few buttons and boom! You'll have hot, trending news videos on your sites bringing in hordes of free traffic. No other tool on the planet does this. Go check, we're that confident. Professional themes. One of the biggest requests we had from our customers were to have more professional themes so you can make your news sites 100% unique. And that's exactly what we've done. Our design and development team spent over 1,000 plus hours building some of the best professional news themes you'll be able to take advantage of. Log in, pick from any of the pro-grade themes, and build your sites in minutes. Health COVID. We're in difficult times right now, but we can all do our bit to help, including you. Which is why we've added a never-seen-before feature. With HelloNews you'll be able to spread up-to-date and accurate COVID-related news to the world. Help people with the latest news releases, data and information regarding COVID news. Something so simple can help so many people. And with HelloNews you'll be able to do exactly that, without lifting a finger. The result of doing that? More traffic and people to your news sites. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast, 2 to 4 weeks maximum.